How to fix system UI isn't responding on your Samsung device. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix system UI isn't responding. If your Samsung device is displaying a system UI isn't responding error, several troubleshooting steps can resolve the issue. First, you can go ahead and press and hold your power button, and you can go ahead and restart your device, right? Which can resolve temporary glitches. If the problem persists, what you'll have to do is you'll have to clear the cache for the system UI app. If those steps don't work, you can attempt a forced restart or restarting in safe mode, which can narrow down the cause. Finally, if the problem still continues, you can consider a factory reset. To do so, you can simply head into settings and head over to your about phone option, where scroll down and find reset option, and scroll down and you'll find factory data reset. However, make sure to back up your files, your photos and all necessary data from your phone before factory resetting, as you will lose all of it. So basically, to clear your system UI cache, you can go to settings, apps, system UI and tap storage and then clear the cache. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.